Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel, and today's video is how to clean the phone speaker from dust with only these tools. Let's start. Okay, before I show you how to clean the speaker, I need to show you how every hole in the speaker is filled with dust, and I'm gonna use this gadget, which is portable microscope. I got it from AliExpress, I think $10. Yep, working. And now I'm gonna place the microscope over the speaker just to show you how much dust is there. Take a look. Every hole in the speaker is filled with dust. You can see also the scratches on the screen. Where is the... Alright. And it should look like this. This is another phone that the speaker is clean. Take a look. Every hole is clean, but mine phone, wow. Oh my God. This is terrible. Let's clean it. As I said, I'm using simple stuff. Hot glue stick and a lighter. And only thing that you need to do is to heat the hot glue, not at melting point. Okay. And now you're gonna press very hard with the glue stick on the speaker. Just like this. And hold it 10 seconds and then leave it to dry. And next step is to pull very fast and hard. Okay, this will come out. Okay. Press it and hold. Press and hold. And leave it for around 2 minutes. Pull. That was very hard, but nothing to worry. I'm gonna try one more time. The dust is stick on the glue and removing with pulling out. Okay. Now I'm gonna check using the microscope again. Okay. You can see it on the glue stick, the pattern from the speaker, and that's good. After a couple of tries, you can see that some of the holes are still filled with dust, but some of them are cleaned, and this is good. Look, here we have dust, and here on the center all the holes are almost clean. Great. I hope you liked today's video, and I hope I help you with this hack about cleaning your speaker phone. Thank you for watching.